It is important to make sure that you have all the data you need downloaded before you go flying. Downloading your data means that you can still have access to it even when you don't have an internet connection. Aeronautical data downloads are managed in the menu Downloads, which is in the top right hand corner of the screen. Regions that you have a valid subscription for are shown here, along with the current ERIC cycle. If there is a pending ERIC cycle, that will be shown here too. These updates are part of your annual RWY subscription. Tap on a region to view the available data groups. The groups you see here depend on your subscription type. Those with an IFR subscription will see an AIP Volume 2 and 3, including all the departure and approach charts. The AIP General En Route section contains the Volume 1, 4, the AIP, the supplements, the AICs. In the approach plates and runway diagram section is the Volume 4 aerodrome charts. The VNC is the current VNC in 1 in 250,000 and 1 in 500,000 scale, along with the map legends and the special messages written on the VNCs. Use the Start button on the right hand side of the screen to turn a group on or off. When you turn a group on, it will begin downloading. The silver circle starts changing to grey, which indicates a download is in progress. When the pack has fully downloaded, the silver circle will change to a grey circle to let you know that the group is downloaded and up to date, along with the number of files downloaded. Any questions, just contact us at support@ozrunways.com, and thanks for watching.